asking you to stay with me tonight. Don't go home 'cause my tears won't dry. Beneath the neon lights, I see the reflection in your eyes. Won't you never get to light? Baby, you and I, beneath the neon lights.
This thing is a huge bitch, man. Still getting used to it. It's big, it's heavy, wow.
Lately I've been scaring myself, going through changes, but I need to let you know, maybe I'm in the dark, no lighthouse. I know I kept you waiting, but I can't do this alone. It's alone.
Sound system sounds pretty good.
But I'm falling. I've been trying to cure my head from the toxins. I don't wanna drag you down, but I'm feeling. But I don't wanna lose you now, so I'm seeing. I would lay my guard down for you.
Nah.
I would lay my guard down for you.
Wow. Wow. That sounds great. Wow, that's really nice. Good bass too.
Someone I used to know. Will you find me
Clear.
somewhere halfway? I know I kept my distance.
I just turned surround mount. I don't know what that does.
It's a long way back, but I'm falling. I've been trying to cure from the toxins. I don't wanna drag you down, but I feel. But I don't wanna lose.
It's definitely better with surround mode on.
I would lay my guard down for you. I would lay my guard down for you. I would lay my guard down for you. I would lay it down for you. I would lay.
Very, wow. That sounds great, man. Surround mode really totally at least doubled the fidelity. That sounded fucking awesome. Still getting, this is a big bitch, dude. You know, if you drive an F-150 or any half ton, you are not ready for this big bitch. My cousin Jason's been driving his dad's heavy duties for years, so he's used to them, but that's the, what is that? That's DEF fluid. Jason, it's halfway up. You were asking today. My fuel since I left the dealership yesterday has barely budged. Wow. If this was a T-Rex, I'd be at half a tank right now. Screen setup. Messages. Sync. BPM. Trailer trip. fuel economy, 16.4 right now. Just got it last night. And that's not bad. What else we got? What is that? Driver assist. Oh, is that the thing where if you're dozing off, it'll correct it? Drivetrain. But you can adjust the off-road. I'll have to watch a video for that. Coolant temp. Nice. Stats. Now what if I should go right? Oh, that's kilometers. I'm not back in Canada. I'm good. There's so much to learn about this truck. That was impressive. I still haven't figured out how to dim the screen though, because when you have this thing on nav when you're driving, nav, it's look how bright. I mean, it just blinds you. I have to watch a video or some shit. Now, what does this do? Oh, that's like lane detection. You can turn it off. All right, so if it gets annoying or some shit, you can just turn it off. That's traction control. That's hazards. That's up and down temp, manual override. They have digital options. Fan up and down. What's mode do? Oh, that's for the AC. All right. Volume. Oh, has it? Well, you know what? You don't see that. It's a mute button. You don't see that every day. So if you need a quick mute, I mean, you can always just turn like that. But that's cool to give you a secondary. What they should have done was screen dim instead of mute right here. Still don't know how to dim the screen. I want to be able to see my maps without it blinding me crazy. So what's the park assist, off rear, off front, tow haul? I don't know what this is. All right, let me go inside. Push the start button to turn off. 60 miles on the odometer, y'all. This truck is awesome. It's big though. It's gonna take me a week or two to truly get used to the size of this thing. I'm used to the half-ton F-150s type trucks, so I'll get there. It's awesome. It rides so smooth, and really happy with it. Anyway, in the house, just bought some cold beer. I'm gonna go inside and get a little bit inebriated, and I'm sure post a silly video or two. You know how I do. Jake Merica. Love you.